Hi there, today I'm gonna show you how to reflect any e-commerce product like this. Select subject or background, whatever you want. You can use any tools to remove background. In this tutorial, I am using object selection tool. You can use quick selection tool or magic wand tool. But I am going to show you by selecting object selection tool. Click this tool and just drag up to bottom. Now the subject is selected. You can use Ctrl Shift plus I, or you can use select inverse. That inverse or background is selected, and now just press delete button from your keyboard. So the background is removed perfectly. So now I am going to copy this subject, or you can drag and drop simply to a new layer. Now you can resize the image by selecting controls. If you don't see any controls option, you can click here or press Ctrl plus T in keyboard, decreasing the size for better performance. Okay, fine, this is absolutely fine. Now you need to duplicate this layer. Just click this layer and drag and drop this to a plus icon, and I will use this is the main layer. So now reflection layer under the main layer, just click reflection layer. Here is two subject, just drop and drag this. So you can see this is our reflection layer, and we will use this layer for reflection, and this is the main layer. Okay, now drag and drop this in the middle of this layer. Click reflection layer, and you can create this is smart object by right click and create convert to smart object. You can also reflect without making this a smart object. So now click reflection layer, press Ctrl plus T in your keyboard, right click here and flip vertical. This subject is now vertically aligned. Just now I drag and drop and adjust the reflection layer under the main layer. Now you need to create an adjustment layer for reflection layer. Click reflection layer and make a layer mask and go to gradient tool. Just click gradient tool. You need to choose what gradient do you want to use. So click here and select the first basic gradient tool and make sure the gradient type is reflected gradient. Now drag and drop this gradient down to up, and you can press shift key for straight gradient. Now go to opacity option and click radio button here, and you can decrease some opacity here for better look. So now the gradient is perfect. Now go to layer option and click plus icon for a new layer. Click new layer option and select brush tool from toolbar. Click just once. Now you can uncheck this, or you can hold shift button to resize this brush and adjust this position and click OK.